Find or read reviews that people are talking about GOLECE shower speaker Bluetooth waterproof, portable cell phone stand Bluetooth speaker. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. IPX7 waterproof. This waterproof shower speaker has IPX7 waterproof protection, so whether it's raining, snowing, or completely submerged in water, this wireless speaker will keep working. You can use the included magnetic ring to magnetize the Bluetooth headphones to your bathroom wall. Enjoy your shower music time. No need worry about the weather and outdoor conditions, enjoy the freedom of outdoor activities and the rhythm of music. 2-in-1 Bluetooth speaker and phone stand. The cell phone holder frees your hands. The wireless Bluetooth speaker makes your cell phone sound louder and clearer. Magnetically attaches to the back of your phone as a stand for watching movies, video chatting and playing music. This is a creative small gift. Upgraded Bluetooth 5.3 and TWS pairing. Next generation Bluetooth 5.3 chips with better, more stable signals and higher transmission rates for reliable connectivity. TWS pairing supports simultaneous connection of two Bluetooth speaker. Forms a wireless 360-degree sound system. Provides you with true movie theater surround sound. The small Bluetooth speaker supports connection to any device such as smartphones, laptops, and more. Stable wireless connectivity over a range of 33 feet, or 10 meters. 3D stereo sound. This waterproof Bluetooth shower speaker is crisp and clear, delivering clear, rich 360 degrees full range sound. Music mode enables full range listening with the equalizer adjustment function. Game mode features powerful bass and low latency to immerse you in the game. RGB light show and ultra portable. Wireless Bluetooth speaker with different light modes. Cool light effects can jump and change with the beat of the music. Like an elf in the night to add to the ambience of your party. Its compact design makes it easy to carry. You can put this mini speaker anywhere such as a backpack, suitable for traveling, camping and other outdoor activities. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.